Sister Wives star Robin Brown has long been the villain of the family to viewer of the show, but I'm convinced that she's more vilified for protecting Kody Brown's poor behavior than anything else. Throughout the run of Sister Wives, viewers have had the opportunity to get to know Robin and Kody in nearly every iteration of their relationship. While the couple began the series as newlyweds who were still getting to know each other in their lives together, things have progressed over the years and proven their relationship is equally difficult and generous as they've cared for each other. Throughout Sister Wives Season 19, viewers have had the opportunity to see Kody and Robin's marriage in a whole new light. Despite the fact that the pair have been upfront about their difficulties after Kody's ex-wives, Christine Brown, Janelle Brown, and Mary Brown chose to leave him behind, it's been fascinating to see what their lives are like living in monogamy. While many have spent the last several years looking at Kody's relationships with his ex-wives, his relationship with his current wife is one that often comes under fire. While Robin's sometimes difficult, she may not be the sole problem. One of the biggest areas Robin's played the victim in is Kody's relationships with his kids, inserting herself to make herself look like the villain. Robin's played the victim for Kody's benefit. She's trying to tone down his villainy. Although Kody's often seen as the biggest villain on Sister Wives, Robin is typically seen as a close second. To some, Robin may be the bigger villain, but I often think that's more because of how she's playing to Kody than how she's behaving in general. Throughout the run of Sister Wives, Robin's biggest characteristic has been that she plays the victim in big moments, trying to make it clear that she's part of the family while gathering sympathy. Robin's been called out for playing the victim for years, but she's been acting that way for Kody's benefit. Rather than Kody taking all the blame for his villainous behavior, Robin tends to play the victim to take the spotlight from her husband and share the blame. With Kody having gotten the smoke for years, Robin's been doing her part to try and share some of the backlash. While Kody's often struggled with the negative attention, Robin's able to move through the negativity with ease, which makes it easier for her to play the victim for her husband. While Robin's often playing the victim for selfish reasons, there's a possibility that she's doing so for selfless reasons, as well. Robin's consistent victim behavior has been obvious for years, but it's clear that her love for Kody is genuine, so she often puts Kody before herself in difficult circumstances. One of the biggest areas Robin's played the victim in is Kody's relationships with his kids, inserting herself to make herself look like the villain. In making herself more of a villain, Robin's making herself look worse to the kids while Kody, objectively, looks a bit better. Although Robin may be moving through some of her victim behavior for Kody's advantage, she's often taking the blame for that behavior in the public. Not only is she getting blamed for Kody's actions by their family, Robin gets run through the mud by Sister Wives viewer. While her behavior also gets her in hot water with fans, Robin frequently gets blamed for being part of the decision Kody makes directly. With most Sister Wives viewers seeing Robin as a victim, it's clear that she's doing a lot more than people expect to protect her husband.